Hello, kitty. How are you today? Are you fine today? Tell us something about you. What have you done today? Did you sleep? Did you sleep a little? How many hours did you sleep? Tell me, how many hours? Did you sleep? Many hours. Okay. And did you play? Did you play too? Do you like playing? Yes. Do you like playing a lot? Would you play all day long? What else do you like to do? Do you like eating? How much do you like to eat? More than playing? Yes? What is your favorite food? Tell me, what is your favorite food? Do you have a favorite food? Tell me, what is your favorite food? And what else do you like to eat? Do you like chicken? What else do you like to eat? Pork? Do you like pork? Pork. Pork is fat. Do you like pork? No? No, no. But chicken is better. Now tell us, do you like going on a walk? Yes? And what do you like to do best when you go on a walk? Climbing on trees? Do you like climbing on trees? Do you like climbing? Yes? And what else do you like to do? Do you like hunting birds? Yes? Tell us something about you, Kitty. Kitty, do you want to talk to us anymore? Or don't you want to talk to us anymore? Tell us something about you. Tell us, how old are you? Kitty. Is the interview over? Don't you want to talk to us anymore? Kitty. What are you doing, Kitty? I cannot follow you if you turn around like this, Kitty. It's okay. Okay, okay. This interview is then over. If you if you don't want to look at us anymore. Are you angry? Kitty, are you angry with us? Don't you want to talk to us anymore? Are you upset? Kitty. Kitty. Okay, Kitty. We end the interview here because you don't want to talk to us anymore. Oh, you want to talk to us anymore? Okay. You're stretching. Come on, Kitty. Look at us, Kitty. Come on, look at us. Come on. Say something. You're a sweet kitty. You're a sweet little kitty. Tell us something. Tell us bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye, bye, bye. Bye. Say bye, 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 bye. Say bye, bye.